Welcome to you all. I'm Sudipto from Russia University of Engineering Technology, Ruet. Into this short demonstration video, I will explain about current technology Astrobee, which is a robot made by JAXA to help astronauts to utilize their time properly in space. This is a visual representation of the breadth of space sector's influence, showing the network of organizations and location associated with the network space exploration. This project is based on space exploration in your backyard in Connect category, NASA Space App Challenge 2020 Bangladesh round. So let's get started. Into this short demonstration, we will figure out what is Astrobee and Kibo and a module named Kibo from JAXA. We will discuss how these things going to and why this is important for all of us like simple people. And I will also describe about this type of contest and programs. Lastly, I will give a short brief about my practical experiences about it, and finally I will connect you all through this video in JAXA as well as this type of things. Our main goal is to connect people via these kinds of program. So what is ISS? Like back in 2000, countries around the world thought that we should do something for the future. For this reason, they decide to make ISS by launching various types of modules. Among all these modules, Kibo is one of them. Inside Kibo, there is a robot called Astrobee. Its job is to help the astronaut to use their time properly. Astrobee is a new robot, but it can do many work. There is a contest going on named Kibo RPC, aka Kibo Robot Program Challenge. It's a contest for all participants to use the robot and do the particular task. I said in my previous slide that it's basically a contest, but we can learn many things from it. Bangladesh is also included in this program, so anyone in Bangladesh can use JAXA's research to improve this quality over space robotics. If anyone is really interested to join, then there is a good news for them. There would be a new recruitment for Bangladesh near future. So our most interesting part of this part, what is Kibo RPC? So I mentioned earlier, it's a robot called Astrobee whose task is to fulfill a particular task. Anyone can write code in Android Studio and build an APK for it. By downloading the APK in Astrobee, it can move and do particular task. In this, there is a logic development for all of us. This is a visual representation of Astrobee. We can see the Astrobee, a robot made by JAXA moving under Kibo module, is doing its predefined work very well. This is really interesting. Actually, we know a little bit about space robotics, but there is a huge things going around us. Space robotics is major part of it. We will be very surprised to know that JAXA is inviting code from us, simple people, to run their robot properly. It's a huge opportunity for all of us. Actually, we don't know, space exploration is happening tremendously well in our background. So join this type of program and show your interest in. When it comes to share experience, I would say this is a great platform for experience gathering as well as implement the previous experience very massively. In my case, I knew Linux raw simulation is very but for this event I knew a lot in Linux simulation and so on. I have came to know that debug is only way to be successful. So space switch, the interesting all space rotation taking connection with new parameter quaternion. I think it's very interesting for all of us. Finally, I want to invite you all in this type of platform. Mr. Mizanul Chaudhary works at MIT Space Laboratory System at Zero Robotics. Architect and System Administrator is the POC, aka point of contact of this contest for Bangladesh round. He is a very nice man. Through his hard work, we are able to successful in this program. At last, thank you all for being a part of this. I think this is a great way and great platform to connect people. We are working hard for publishing as well as achieving high score in this program. Thank you all. Be the future with space robotics.